Welcome to my channel DylTri Cuisine. In this video I'll be showing you how to make Oreo cheesecake. Firstly, grind 1 packet of Oreo biscuits in a mixer. Now melt the butter in a pan. Then add the grinded Oreos into the butter and cook for 5 minutes. Pour the mixture into a cake tin. With a spoon, flatten out on the base of the cake tin. Remove any liquid from the soft cheese and mix thoroughly into a bowl. Now add the brown sugar and mix this in. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix this in. Now pour in the double cream into a bowl and mix till this becomes nice and thick. Break half a packet of Oreos into the soft cheese mix and mix this in. Now add the whisked double cream and mix in. Pour this mixture into the cake tin and spread out evenly. Garnish the rest of the Oreos on top and place in the fridge to set for about 6 to 8 hours or overnight. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.